honeys, it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do something different with my hair. I am tired of rocking shrinkage. I love shrinkage, I love rocking it, but there comes a point where you're just like, okay, it's time for a change. So I am trying out CurlsCurls hair, which I prepared. I actually twisted it up when I was co-washing it. I'll show you the whole process on how I got that done in this video. If you do enjoy this video, give it a massive thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
Hey there. It's Yolz channel.
So to prep the hair, I started off by washing it with my Organics 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I love the shampoo for a lot of things, mainly using it on extensions as well, so that the hair is softened and that the hair is clean. After soaking it in conditioner, I rinsed all of that out, and then I went on to then twist it up. I simply did a 2-strand twist just to stretch the curls, so that it gives it a more like braid out effect, just because I like that. It looks kind of natural. I chose 3C type hair because I wanted the braid out look instead of the kinky curly, which is an option with CurlsCurls. After twisting it up, I then hung it and let it to dry before actually putting the hair on my head. Styling tools and products, we'll need a spritz as well as a comb. Even a ragtail comb will do. Then we'll also need moisturizer. I got this Marini Naturals from Kenya. And then we'll also need an oil. Any oil of your choice will do. And of course, we'll also need a hair tie. And then you can also add bobby pins to that just to hold the hair. So now I'm spritzing my hair again, the second time today. I wanted my hair to be super moisturized for this hairstyle. Then I am parting the hair in the front in 2 sections before twisting both sections up. This is just so that the hairstyle I want looks the way I want it, and I am going to do 2 flat twists on either side. You can actually do one overarching one, like a crown in a sense. Any style will do really. In fact, you don't even have to actually do the styles in front. For me, it just works. And also I'm kind of recreating an old hairstyle, which I'll insert a picture of right now, right here. Now to deeply moisturize. As you know, we start off with the LOC method, that is liquid, oil and cream, or the other way around, liquid, cream and oil. I do the LCO method. So I start off by spritzing my water into the hair and then moisturizing with my Marini Naturals moisturizer. I'll work that into my hair and then detangle before adding my oil. So you want to get rid of any shaded hair as well, because when we're doing the flat twist, we also don't want the hair to hook and break. Okay, thereafter we will then add our oil and then loosely twist. We're not doing a style yet, we are just bambelising. So now to do the same on the other side and then move over to the crown of my head. Now to section off a piece of our hair that will help us cover up or create a transition between our clip-in hair extensions and our natural hair. So basically the sections is a cover up job. So after sectioning off the back and tying it, we then moisturize the crown of our head, making sure that it is supple and lustrous, because we're going to be wearing the style for the next few days. So before I knew what exactly I'll be doing with the crown of my head, I did 2-strand twists. I did about 6 of them, and then I changed direction as I went ahead with the style, but you'll see how that goes. After removing my hair tie, I then started to section the hair for the clip-ins. Now, you can decide on either twisting or plaiting this down. I decided to actually twist it up so that it lasts longer. It's really up to you. It's actually easier if you don't twist it up, but you know, if you can, why not do that? So I sectioned it down to what I think was like a medium-sized chunk before twisting that up. I then just secured my hair with a bobby pin, and then I went ahead and twisted my hair. If you don't know how to do flat twists, there is a tutorial that I've done before, which I will actually link right above. Just click on that link and you'll learn how to do flat twists. It's super easy. Once I was done with all my flat twists, this is how it looked. I sort of went in an oval type of pattern. Doesn't really matter once again. I just wanted a place for the clip-ins to hook in securely. Now for the hair, this is how the hair looks once I've unraveled the twists. These are 2 wefts that have got clip-ins already, and I'll do a close-up to show you how that looks. But for now, can we have a moment for this gorgeous 3C hair? Absolutely stunning. I love the curl definition. So this is how the clips look, and I am opening them up so that I can actually start hooking them onto my flat twists. Hooking the clips in, I always start from right to left, and again, you can either do it on the flat twist or anywhere where the clips are actually catching on to the hair. Doesn't really matter. Over time, you kind of just do your own thing, really. But before, I actually religiously hooked it on the exact twist. Sometimes it's too thick and the clip doesn't fully close, so I just look for a place where it can tug itself in without breaking my hair, of course. And then I go ahead and use the longest wefts first, and as I go up my head, I actually go shorter and shorter, so 4 or 5 clips first, and then 3, and then 2 right on top. Blend the hair as you go along, just to make sure we don't see through the hair. We don't want to see any wefts. After unraveling my 2-strand twist, I then decided to create a flat twist, leaving a little bit of my natural hair, the hair that sits just above my ear, so that my final braid can actually hook on top of that hair. You'll see what I mean once we get into it. Now to just clip on the second last clip in onto our hair, very close to the flat twist, and then we will add this braid which I created. Super easy to make. You literally just create a 3-strand braid. Before we hook it onto the hair, we want to also hook the last weft, which is a set of 3 clip-ins that is exactly on our flat twist, and that is what our braid will sit on to create that transition between our natural hair and the clip-ins without actually showing any wefts whatsoever. Using 2 of the 3 clips of my braid, I clip the braid just above my ears and flip the braid over the weft to cover it up all the way over the crown of my head, covering any visible weft on my head, and then I tuck the end of the braid behind my other ear. Secure with our bobby pins, which are lifesavers, and they help our cover up not to move at all. Then you can obviously just mix the hair nicely, blend it in, make sure everything looks seamless. It's like a really neat, cute braid out. As for the front of our hair, now to neaten it up, I'm just spritzing it with water before going in with my edge control. I want my edges laid. Then I'm going to neatly do a flat twist as I usually do, and just make sure all my lines look straight. And then of course I just go ahead and do my flat twist. Easy as pie. Just twist the hair around each other and you are good. As long as it's close to the scalp as possible, it should look neat enough. I mixed my hair with the wefts just to create this boho look with the braid out, and I really loved how it turned out. I did the same on the other side, and voila, this is how my hair is looking. Absolutely love it. Gives my hair such a natural look. It doesn't look like fake hair. And if you're worried about your edge control, after a while it actually dries clear, so you don't have to worry about the shiny that it looks like right now. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be using these CurlsCurls clip-ins more often because they're good quality hair and I love this curl pattern. Honeys, give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.